What's up, Point? This is Pastor Matt, and I am here bringing you your weekly Point update. You guys, this is a big Sunday coming up. We have 7 baptisms. That's right, 7 people are going to be baptized at the Point this Sunday. Man, that is just a huge blessing. Very excited about that. If you've never been baptized or you have questions about baptism, feel free to shoot me an email. I would love to talk to you guys about that. If you want to know how to be baptized, I'd love to do that for you. So that's coming up this Sunday. It's going to be a huge celebration for the Point. So don't be afraid to cheer when the baptisms happen. We're looking forward to that. Also, coming up at the Point, we've got on the 17th 2 different and yet incredible opportunities to share what the Point's doing for Christmas. One is going to be Christmas at the Cave. We have an opportunity to go out to Oak Ridge and be a part of Christmas in a Cave and hand out treats to people coming in for the Christmas season, and also some invite cards. That's going to be a blast. Jump on Facebook, check that out. You can also talk to Sarah Rose. We also have an opportunity. We're going to take 50 step stake signs, those little signs that you stick in the ground, and we're going to go out around town, not far from where we're at, and we're going to do a scavenger hunt, putting all 50 of those signs out. It's going to be a blast, you guys. We're going to do that on December 17th. That's a Saturday. We can meet in the mall parking garage, and we'll break up from there, but we're going to do teams of 4 to 5. So get ready for that. It's going to be a blast. You guys, all those events are on Facebook, so check it out. We're also running a coffee cart in the mall, which is going to be a blast. But till then, as you guys are going throughout your week, get one of these invite cards if you haven't gotten one already on a Sunday, or if you've got a few sitting in your pocket. Look for somebody to invite to church this time of year. This time of year, more than any other, people are just waiting for someone to invite them out, and you never know how that message of Christmas could just totally impact somebody's life forever. I'm just blown away at what simple and amazing things have happened just from somebody handing off an invite card. Somebody who's maybe been thinking about church for a while but hasn't stepped out. So I want to challenge you guys this week. Take one of those invite cards, pass it out, find somebody, find a friend, and just tell them, hey, come out to the Point with me this Sunday. It's going to be a blast. And so you guys, until this Sunday, until our 7 baptisms, I am excited to see you. I hope you're having a great week, and know that the Point is in prayer for you.